This is PowerPoint 2013, Getting to Know PowerPoint, and it's basically just the introduction, how to open PowerPoint, and how to start a new presentation, choose a template, and it's just showing how you get to know PowerPoint 2013. In this section they talked about the Quick Access toolbar and how to add commands to the Quick Access toolbar. It also showed the Backstage view and how to access the Backstage view and when the Backstage view will appear. In this section, PowerPoint 2013, they talked about creating and opening presentations, and this was the introduction. PowerPoint files are called presentations. Whenever you start a new project in PowerPoint, you'll need to create a new presentation, which can either be blank or from a template. You also will need to know how to open an existing presentation. This shows how to create a new presentation. You select the File tab and go to the Backstage view. Then Start New on the left side window and click Blank Presentation or choose the theme you would like. And this shows how to open an existing presentation, which most of you already know, and then how to open in your documents. And then this shows how to pin a presentation. And this is basically just all basic knowledge. And this shows compatibility mode. Sometimes you may need to work with presentations that were created in earlier versions of PowerPoint, such as PowerPoint 03 or PowerPoint 2000. When you open these types of presentations, they will appear in compatibility mode. It just shows how to change that. And then how to convert a presentation. And these are the steps that you would use. And this section, this was PowerPoint 2013 Text Basics. And this is just basically talking about if you're new to PowerPoint, you'll need to learn the basics of working with text. And it shows how to cut, copy, paste, format, and find and replace text within your PowerPoint. And it shows how to select the text and copy and moving text. It shows how to cut and paste the text. These are the steps. And then this shows you how to drag and drop the text in separate areas. And this shows you formatting and aligning text. And formatting text can draw your audience attention to specific parts of the presentation and emphasize important information. In PowerPoint, you have several options for adjusting your text, including size and color. You can also adjust the alignment of the text to change how it's displayed on the slide. And this shows how to use find and replace. And to find text, these are steps how you would go about that. And then this is the steps of how you to replace text. This is just if you discover that you made a mistake a couple times in the place, how you can replace that text with something else. It's a pretty easy step. This section, this shows how to manage slides. And as you add more slides to the presentation, it can be difficult to keep up everything organized. So fortunately, PowerPoint offers tools to help you organize and prepare your slideshow. And then this shows slide views. And these are all the slide views you can get. Slide sorter, reading view, and play slideshow. And this shows in the managing slide sections the outline view and how to view an outline. And it's a 3-step process. And then it shows how to get slide notes and how to add slide notes to your section. And this is showing the slide sections and talking about if you have a lot of slides in your PowerPoint, you can organize them into sections to make your presentation easier to navigate. Sections can be collapsed or expanded in the slide navigation pane and named for easy reference. And this just shows how to create slide sections. From the Home tab, just click the section command and choose Add Section from the drop-down menu. This section is presenting your slideshow, and once your slideshow is complete, you'll need to learn how to present it to an audience. PowerPoint offers several tools and features to help make your presentation smooth, engaging, and professional. And this talks about how to present the slideshow and how to start the slideshow. Click Start from Beginning command on the Quick Access toolbar, or press F5 key at the top of your keyboard. Presentation will appear in full screen mode. And this shows to advance and reverse slides, how to stop a slide, and this shows presentation tools and features, and how to access drawing tools for your PowerPoint, and how to erase ink markings off of it if you make a mistake, and how to skip non-adjacent slides. And this shows how you would show the taskbar and the slide options in your PowerPoint. And then this shows slideshow setup options, such as to access a slideshow setup options, you just click the slide setup slideshow command. Pretty easy process. And then you can start to advance slides automatically. You'll need to customize the slide timing on the transition tab. Review our lesson on applying transitions to learn how. This section was on indents and line spacing in PowerPoint 2013. Indent and line spacing are two important features you can use to change the way text appears on the slide. Indentation can be used to create multi-level lists or visually set paragraphs apart from one another. Line spacing can be adjusted to improve readability or to fit more lines on the slide. And this shows how to indent lists and paragraphs within your PowerPoint. And once you've created a multi-level list, you may want to choose different bullet style or different levels of the list to make them stand out even more. And this shows how to customize bullet spacing and how to change the bullet spacing. And this shows how to do line spacing and how you would go about formatting line spacing. This section we talked about formatting pictures and how you would crop an image. And when you crop an image, a part of the picture is removed. Cropping may be helpful when a picture has a lot of content and you want to focus on only part of it. And this shows the steps on how you'd go about doing that. This shows how to crop an image and to shape it, we learned in this section, and how to also add a border to an image. Just 4 pretty easy steps. Then this showed how you could compress pictures and how you would go about compressing pictures. And this is how you would remove the background from an image, which is very helpful in group projects and stuff like that. And this is the steps on how you would go about doing that. It's 8 steps. This section right here we learned about SmartArt graphics, and SmartArt allows you to communicate information with graphics instead of just using text. There are a variety of styles to choose from, which you can use to illustrate many different types of ideas, and this shows you how you would insert a SmartArt graphic, and these are the steps you would go about to do that. And this shows how to add text to a SmartArt graphic and how to convert an existing text to SmartArt. And PowerPoint makes this a pretty easy transformation. Then this shows how you would customize your SmartArt. And to customize SmartArt, PowerPoint provides a variety of color schemes to use with SmartArt. To change the color, simply select the SmartArt, click the Change Colors command, and then choose the desired colors from the drop-down menu. And these are the steps you would do just like that. And we also learned how to change the SmartArt layout to your preference. And if the new layout is too different from the original, some of your text may not show up before deciding a new layout. Check carefully to make sure no important information will be lost.